Today we are talking about a problem many men face but rarely discuss an enlarged prostate, also called BPH. It can cause frequent urination, weak flow, and a lot of discomfort. Medicines are common, but natural also gives us powerful remedies. In this video, we shall look at 7 amazing fruits for prostate health. And at the end, I shall reveal just one fruit that works like a game changer. It can actually help shrink and enlarge prostate. So make sure you stay till the end. But before we dive in, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You shall never miss another men's health tip that could change your life. Alright, let's start. Fruit number 7, avocado. This creamy greens fruit is not only tasty but also a nutritional powerhouse. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, that same type of fats found in olive oil. These healthy fats help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. Since inflammation is one of the main causes of prostate enlargement, avocado can play an important role in relief. Avocados also contain beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that has been studied for prostate health. Research shows it may improve urinary flows, reduce the feeling of incomplete emptying, and lessen the number of times men need to wake up at night to urinate. They are also rich in potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and fiber, all of which support overall health, reduce oxidative stress, and improve heart function. A healthy heart and circulation are directly linked to better prostate health. You can add them to salads, smoothies, sandwiches, and simply spread on toast. So adding avocado to your diet a few times a week can be a delicious way to support your prostate and overall well-being. Fruit number 6, tomato. Tomatoes are one of the best natural source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene protects prostate cells from damage and help lower the risk of prostate cancer. It can also improve symptoms of enlarged prostate. Here's an important point. Lycopene is absorbed more effectively when tomatoes are cooked. That means tomato sauce, tomato soup, or even ketchup can give you more benefits than raw tomatoes. Tomatoes also provide vitamin C, potassium, and folate, which support immune health, blood pressure control, and overall wellness. Eating tomatoes regularly in both raw and cooked forms is a simple and tasty way to protect your prostate. Fruit number 5, watermelon. This refreshing fruit is more than just a summer snack. It's full of nutrients that support prostate health. Like tomatoes, watermelon is a great source of lycopene, the antioxidants that protects prostate cells and may help reduce the size of an enlarged prostate. Watermelon is about 90% water, which helps keep your body hydrated. Good hydration is very important for the kidneys and urinary system, which often get affected when the prostate is enlarged. Watermelon is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. These vitamins boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. A bowl of fresh watermelon or a glass of natural watermelon juice can be a tasty way to help your prostate while keeping your body cool and hydrated. Fruit number 4, berries. Like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. Free radicals cause cell damage and can worsen prostate problems. They are also high in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and help reduce swelling in the prostate. Berries contain flavonoids and quercetin, natural plant compounds that lower inflammation and may protect against prostate cancer. The fiber in berries supports digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable, which also benefits overall health. Adding a handful of berries to your breakfast, smoothies, and snacks can be simple but powerful way to support prostate health. Fruit number 3, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which helps protect prostate cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Vitamin C works as an antioxidant, fighting free radicals that can harm to prostate and increase the risk of enlargement. Citrus fruits also contain flavonoids, natural plant chemicals that support the bladder and urinary system. You can eat them fresh, drink citrus juice, or add lemon to your water daily. They are refreshing, low in calories, and very healthy. Regular intake of citrus fruits can lower your risk of prostate issues and improve overall immunity. Fruit number 2, pomegranate. This bright red fruit is not only delicious but also a powerful protector of the prostate. Pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and slow down damage to prostate cells. Studies show pomegranate juice may help slow the growth of prostate cancer cells and improve overall prostate health. It also supports better blood circulation, which is important for the both prostate function and male reproductive health. You can eat the seeds directly or drink fresh pomegranate juice. Both ways give you powerful health benefits. A glass of pomegranate juice a few times a week can be tasty way to boost prostate health naturally. Fruit number 1, papaya. The real game changer is papaya. This tropical fruit is sweet, juicy, and loaded with nutrients that directly support prostate health. Papaya contains a special enzyme called papain. It helps reduce inflammation, which is one of the main causes of prostate enlargement. Like tomatoes and watermelon, papaya is also high in lycopene along with beta carotene. These antioxidants protect prostate cells, improve urinary flow, and may actually help shrink the enlarged prostate. Papaya is full of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and reduce oxidative stress. This keeps your prostate and overall body healthier. You can eat papaya fresh, add it to fruit salads, blend it into smoothies, or even dry it for a healthy snack. Just one fruit papaya can truly make a big difference in prostate health. So friends, these were the 7 best fruits for prostate health. If you add these fruits to your daily diet, you shall not only protect your prostate but also boost your overall health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and trust the power of nature. Thanks for watching.